How to use Hinge Rose feature. To use the Hinge's Rose feature, first things first, you simply have to go ahead and launch the Hinge application onto your device. Once you open it, you simply have to log into your account, then head to the Standouts feed, and then tap the star icon in the bottom menu bar to open your curated Standouts feed. From there, free accounts can only interact with this profile by sending a rose. You simply have to tap the rose icon on any photo or prompt to send it. In regular Discover feed, while you are browsing standard daily feed, you simply have to look at the bottom right corner of the profile element. You will see both a heart and rose icon. You simply have to tap the rose icon to upgrade your interaction to a premium like. You can also add a note, and you can get more roses. Every Sunday, Hinge will automatically refresh your account with one free rose, so you simply have to wait out until next Sunday if it disappears. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.